In working with assessments, you may want to create some quizzes or even tests and build your own question bank. In order to do that, sometimes it's a good idea to have categories to store these in. So in my particular course, I'm going to scroll down to the administrative side, and I'm going to go into the question bank area, and I'm going to select and build a category. So right now the default is Government 101. I want to add a category. So it'll be like a subcategory under this. So the first category I'm going to select is the Executive Branch. And just say Add Category. And I'll see on top that it showed Executive Branch. And then from here, I could build questions that relate to tests and quizzes that are just on the Executive Branch. So I'm going to add another one. The Legislative Branch. Add that category. And then the third category is the Judicial. And I could put category information if I want to, but I'm not going to at this time. Now, if I wanted to add some questions to it, I'll just demonstrate one real quickly. I'm going to say questions. I'm going to select a category. So from here, for example, I'll say Executive Branch. Create a new question. Now let's say the first one I'm going to say is a true and false question. Select Next. Here comes a question. And it's on the category Executive Branch, although I could change it anytime I want, but right now it's set right that way. So the first question would be age of president. The text question would be 50 is the minimum age to run for president. The question default point value is worth 1. The penalty value, well, I'm not going to have penalty values going on there. I could have feedback if I want. If you select the correct answer, I could say good job. I could choose to do that. The correct answer is false. I could have some kind of response for true or whichever I wanted to do. So with all of this, I'm just going to say fine, save changes. And I have the question down here already. Age of president, I built it, last modified by me. If I had several teachers, we could have several questions built by all of us that are working on the same one. So this is a true and false question. We'll work on other questions later.